Hi everyone, today we are going to be repairing a big 15-inch speaker. We're going to be putting a new dust cap on, which looks like this. It's like that. And it's a polypropylene one. It's a 4-inch. And it's going to go on like this. It's going to go on like that. That's how the speaker is going to look like. And it's going to sound a lot better after this. So what we have, we have some cheap Chinese speaker glue, but I've used it on lots of speakers, and get it open. Because I managed to get it open. I managed to get it open fine. And the glue's in there. I can zoom in on there for fun. So yeah guys, I'm going to be repairing this big 15-inch speaker made by iBands, I think. Let's get all the dust out. Right. And it moves pretty good too. Want to see the back of it? There's the back of it, guys. Don't worry about those little patches there. Need to fill them up somehow. And also, it's made by a company called iBands. It's a 4-ohm speaker. Power jam speaker. Sounds pretty high-end, guys. Now, it is a bit scratchy. Don't worry about that. It still works fine, but still, I'm going to chuck a dust cap on it just to see if we can actually make a difference to the sound quality of it. Don't worry about the stamping in the background, it's just my nephew, Theo, stomping around. He loves to do that. Alright, so, chuck it down there like that. Gonna grab this, chuck it to the side. Real careful. I'm gonna get real careful. Real careful. You don't want too much and you don't want too less. You guys get what I mean. I'm self-taught, by the way. Last bit to do. And now we're just zoom the camera out a little bit. Right. You want to get a little bit of sticky tape, as we got here, to make as a handle. A little bit of cellulose tape. Just like that. And you want to do that, making it into a little handle shape. You can actually stick it on the actual dust cap. I'll do that. A bit of a handle. I'll bring the speaker driver here. And you want to grab it by there. And do it as center as possible. Just drop it right down. Right, and we're going to need some sort of weight to hold it down while it dries. That's pretty simple, just do that, you know. Right, I'll be right back. I'm just going to go get myself a weight. Alright guys, so I got myself a little bit of a weight here. Chuck it down there. We're going to take this off like that. Have a bit of hair out of the way. Just like that. And give it a little bit of a twist to help spread the glue around a little bit. Just going to back it up a little bit. Give a little bit of a twist. Clean up the edges a little bit here. Rotate the speaker as you do it. And we're probably gonna let that sit overnight. And yeah, it should be all good to go. Of course, we're gonna put the cap back on since we're done here now. Just to do that. Now you want to let it sit for at least like 8 to 24 hours. So the glue can get its full strength, and then yeah, you'll be good. And also, I have ordered some more speaker dust caps on the way. Similar to this, but for small speakers, basically. So yeah, just like that. See the back of it, there we go. Just like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know when this thing is done. Looks like a speaker to me. A bit gunk off. Looks like a speaker to me, actually. We're gonna have to keep that white on because I can already see the glue separating. So yeah, ordered some more of those ones. That is actually going to go on my green one here. This one here. Yes, but it's the dust cap that's actually gonna go on it. But I have to get a different size for it because I need to cover the silicone. Now I saw a 7-inch one, which will probably, it's like almost an 8-inch, which will hopefully cover the outside of the silicone. It won't be as grotty, if you know what I mean. Yeah, the glue seems to be pretty good. So you basically just run a bit of glue around, just like that. Just run it around the speaker, just like that. Simple. Yeah. No, we're not doing a repair. Nah, not tonight. Because hey, we just did one. Yeah. Basically, if you don't know how to make a handle for a speaker dust cap, take a little bit of tape, take a little bit off. You kind of just fold it like this as you go, like just like that, and then get your dust cap and stick it on just like that. Make sure it's on there nice and firm. You don't want to squish it down all the time. Just like that. You get a little handle so you can actually place it into the center just like that. Yeah, just like that. Simple. And then after it's done drying, just do that and just take it off and just throw that piece in the bin. Simple as that, guys. It's actually pretty simple to put speaker dust caps on there like that. So yeah. If you want to see the size of my hand compared to the speaker, there's my hand against it as well. Pretty good, huh? Man, it's huge. This is what we call a speaker repair video, basically. Let's go ahead and put that thing back on there. No protective cover for the dust cap. No. You shouldn't do that. Just leave it bare like that. Just let air get to it, you know. If you want to check that it's centered, you just check that it's make sure it's centered just like this. You know, I'm gonna spin it around a little bit. Now, it's not exactly centered, but it's alright, it should do. Looks like it's bigger than me. I'm sure it will sound great too. Corroded. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. This is episode 1 and episode 2. I got 2 more subs to do that. Cheers for watching guys. See you tomorrow.